In the year 2099, Happily Ever After looked a little different. Cars didn't just fly. They complained about traffic in the sky. Houses weren't smart. They were smarter than you. And instead of royal bowls, people showed off their social credit scores at hologram galas. Cinderella wasn't called Cinderella anymore. Her name was Sandy 9000 because her stepmother had legally downgraded her status to domestic service unit. Basically, she was treated like a household robot without the warranty. Every day, her stepfamily lounged around in their self-cleaning pajamas while Sandy scrubbed the floors with nanobots and fed the family's genetically engineered hairless cat. One day, the royal family announced the event of the decade, the Intergalactic Gala, streamed live in 12 dimensions and sponsored by Daria, future kid. Prince Leo, the galaxy's most eligible bachelor, was looking for someone authentic, meaning someone whose selfies weren't 100% AI generated. Sandy wanted to go, but her stepmother laughed so hard her face filter glitched. You? At the gala? You don't even have a verified account. But just as Sandy was about to give up, her fairy tech godmother appeared, actually a retired influencer with too much free time and access to black market upgrades. With a few swipes, she hacked Sandy's outfit into a glowing quantum dress that changed color based on Wi-Fi strength. Her shoes? Transparent graphene heels with built-in GPS in case she got lost. Or drunk. At the gala, everyone's avatars looked flawless, but Prince Leo was bored. He wanted someone real. Then he spotted Sandy. Her Wi-Fi flickered, her dress glitched pink for a second, and for the first time all night, she didn't look like a filter. He was hooked. They danced in zero gravity, and for a moment, everything was perfect. But then the curfew bell rang. Sandy's borrowed tech had a strict trial period. She bolted, leaving behind one graphene heel that Siri kept screaming about. Warning! Shoe not found! Shoe not found! Prince Leo launched a galaxy-wide search with the lost shoe. Girls across planets tried deepfakes, foot mods, even uploading their DNA to match, but nothing worked. When he finally reached Sandy's pod-sized apartment, she just shrugged, slipped the heel on, and said, "Guess you found the original user." They didn't ride off into the sunset because in 2099, sunsets were subscription only. But they did start a joint channel called Real Love. No filters, went viral overnight, and lived happily monetized ever after.